So I'm just in our contact us.javascript page here, which is blank at the moment. And the first thing I'm going to do is set up or use configurations for the specific project in Firebase. And I must get these configurations by going to Firebase, having a project set up, feedback record 1, I called it. So if I go to real-time database here, so this is all set up, ready to start inserting data into it, or sending data to it, but I must now set up the web app to connect to our web application. So there's nothing, or there are no apps in our project at the moment. I click on this little fella here, and I'm going to call it, let me see, feedback record 1 maybe, or something. I don't know, was that the name I had on it there a moment ago, but feedback record 1. And this just takes a moment to set up here. So continue to console. And what we're going to do here is, so just investigate this one for a second. No, to get out of that, I'm just going to go and click continue to console. I'm not going to copy it for the moment. And I'm going to go back into it here by selecting config. And once I've config selected, now I'm going to grab the Firebase configurations for this particular project. Grab them there. Go back to my REPL and copy and paste it in there. And so here now with the name Firebase configuration is this kind of JavaScript object notation, like a dictionary notation containing all the configurations to our particular project. Now another thing I must put in here before I forget is to initialize Firebase here. Initialize Firebase by putting in this command. So from our Firebase initialize app, and the actual Firebase config of our project, copy that, throw that in here. Don't forget, in JavaScript you finish lines with semicolon, and join me in the next video so we have our configuration set up. So how we'll link everything together and set up connections to particular places in this database.